Why is my collision test always returning the trues, and why is the position of the rectangle of the image always wrong? 0, 0. My collide_act function isn't working properly. It always returns true, when it's not supposed to. I have tried looking on the internet, but nothing is working for me. I think the collide_rect somehow did not use the actual coordinates for the two sprites. Can anyone help with this? P.S. This is my first post, smiley face.
pygame-surface.get_rect returns a rectangle with the size of the surface object, but it returns a rectangle that always starts at 0, 0, since a surface object has no position. The surface is placed at a position on the display with the blit function. You have to set the location of the rectangle either by a keyword argument, e.g, or an assignment to a virtual attribute, see pygame.rect, e.g. It is absolutely unnecessary to add some extra attributes self.x and self.y, use the location of the rectangle instead, e.g. Further note that you can get rid of the methods ball.update, respectively obstacle.update. You can delete them if you use a pygame.sprite.group and call.draw, which uses the .image and .rect properties of the contained sprites to draw them, e.g.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.